2, 3, 4.
Hi, it's me again, Liz Best from Parks and Rec and Grace Community Center. I'm going to show you how to make a super simple holiday wreath for the fall. Okay, super simple. And most of the stuff that you can find at the dollar store, just stuff around your house. I am using paper leaves that we cut out. We have a cute little die cut that cuts them in a beautiful shape. You can use, I've seen at the dollar store and at other craft stores, like the fake fall leaves that come in a little package. You can use those. You could use real leaves from outside. You could just gather them up. Or you could cut out your own shaped leaves. But this is super easy. A very inexpensive paper plate. And what I have done is I just cut the circle out of the middle. That's it. So this is going to be kind of the base for the wreath, right? So I am just going to turn it upside down. And what I do, very simple. You can use whatever glue you have. I have a glue stick. If you're using like plastic leaves, I would recommend probably this one. Because this is really a lot thicker and it'll hold it better. But for paper, this is fine. And what I'm going to do is just put some leaves all the way around. Hopefully this sticks. You know what? It's not sticking, so I'm going to use the good glue. This one is very thick. All the way around. And I just use different colors, and you can stagger them around, overlap them. And you just keep going until it's all the way you want it to look. Keep on going all the way around. And you can add whatever embellishments you want. If you have glitter you want to use, if you have like pom-poms you want to use, that's fine. Make it look like your own. Once you have it all pretty, let it dry a little bit, because I'm going to try to lift mine up. It's probably going to fall apart. Let it dry a little bit, and then there's your little wreath. You can make it look however you want, and hang it on your door. There you go. You have a little fall leaf wreath. What do you say? You say that 10 times fast. Thanks for joining.